Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, let's hold power key. From there, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time, so power, volume up. And when you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go. From here, simply tap on Clear Data, and then tap on Wipe Cache Partition. It will automatically begin it, and there we go, it's now finished. So select back and restart, and this will take you now back to the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.